Good morning and buenos dias. We're under the ABC-7 first alert. It's going to be cold, rain chances, and even snow flurries. For today, our high is going to be 53, Las Cruces at 51. Today, you will need your rain gear. And by the time the sun rises for tomorrow, you'll go ahead and switch that rain gear for jackets because we're going to be battling the wind chills for tomorrow. So that's the big difference from today and tomorrow. But the ABC-7 first alert is on for both days. And right now, what I am forecasting is that the rain and snow chances is going to be later on tonight. When it comes to rain, it's going to start as soon as noon. If you are heading out right now, we're in our 40s, 43 El Paso and Las Cruces, so a little bit chilly. Go ahead and grab that jacket. Here's the breakdown for today. If you're going to go to the battle of the I-10, UTEP versus NVSU basketball game, roughly around the time the game starts, we're going to be already dipping down to our low 40s. There is going to be rain chances, so if you are heading out to that game, grab that jacket. You're going to need it, and the wind chill is going to be a factor. Area-wide, our highs, most of us are all hanging out in our 50s. Las Cruces, your high at 51 for today. And the Super Bowl Sunday, this is the breakdown for tomorrow's game. So right around the time the game starts, we're going to start seeing our high 40s, but we do have the wind chill in factor. So one thing that I am forecasting is when it comes to the wind chill, it's going to be all day on Sunday. So it's going to feel like we're not going to leave our 40s. So that's the highest we're going to feel like for Sunday. And this is the peak wind gust. So this is the breakdown for today, tomorrow. 30 to 35 miles for today and tomorrow. It's going to come in waves. 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and then 7 p.m. all the way to 5 a.m. The good news is it looks like by the start of your day, the wind gusts should subside. Rain chances all the way from noon to tomorrow, 6 a.m. Again, once your day starts, that's already the rain should have cleared by then. And snow flurries, if we do see them, it's going to more than likely happen when you're sleeping from 12 a.m. all the way to 3 a.m. So the good news about that too is that the start of tomorrow, the only thing it looks like we're battling is wind chill, where it's going to feel really cold for you. Here's a breakdown with the rain chances for today, tomorrow, 40, 30% chance. And here's our snow chances later on tonight when it's snow flurries, more than likely 12 a.m. until 3 a.m. for tomorrow. And the future track model, as you can see, we fast forwarded all the way to 6 p.m. It's showing right now that Las Cruces might see some snow flurries already at that time. I'm not forecasting that. It's really bullish. I'm seeing if it does happen, it'll happen at 12 o'clock at night. Here's a future track brought to you by Mattress Firm. So today and tomorrow, ABC-7 first alert, rain chances, gusty, cold, wind chills. And then the start of the work week, look at Monday. We're going to wake up to freezing temperatures. So go ahead and check on your furry family members just in case if they have water outside, if it doesn't freeze. That's already in factor for tonight, tomorrow, Monday, and Tuesday. And then Fat Tuesday, we're going to be at 64. And for it comes to Wednesday, Ash Wednesday, Valentine's Day at 68, nice and sunny, light winds. We'll be right back. Stick around.